Magandang buhay, SDO Isabela. This is Edita G. James from Mataas na Kahoy Elementary School, Alicia North District. It is my greatest honor to be a part of the SDO Isabela team in crafting the modules during the alternative delivery mode of teaching. With the technical assistance of our school head, public school district supervisor, and the whole learning resource quality assurance team of SDO Isabela, I successfully completed the self-learning module entitled Napapalitan at Nadadagdagan ang mga tunog upang makabuo ng bagong salita in Grade 1 Filipino. Being part of the module writer of SDO Isabela wasn't that easy, but with the proper supervision of the QA team and by attending webinars, I accomplished a useful learning material that has been used during the pandemic of the learners of Isabela. At the end of the day, they are the #1 reason why we develop modules like this. Thank you.